Hi, my brother. This game uses money. And this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely. And remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
Hey, I'm rich. Good for you. It's good to hear that. Not often that people say it over here. 15X on number 5. No 5s though. No 5s nearby. But who cares about the 5 as long as we have our hands on the key for the red door where your dreams come true. Some of you. Whoop. So, the full bingo cards finished up. We have our whole set of bonuses for the session. Let's go crazy, right? Let's do it. Come on, choose where your destiny will land. On the green flapper, blue, or what should we go? Yellow. It's I mean, I'm talking about bingo in terms of 4 bonuses. Here we go. 100x maximum. Okay, I mean, green flapper pretty nice. 50x, blue 25. And yellow might skyrocket through the roof. I mean, 200x, it can now be received from it. Let's see if it's gonna be bigger. It does get bigger, guys. 400x on the line here. You ready for this? Guys, take out your phones, cameras, video camera, because you better film this. Let's do it. Guys, if you haven't started filming this beforehand, you better do it now. Mamacita, señorita, 800x. This is so far one of the best crazies I've seen. I mean, don't want to speak too soon, but potential is there. Good. We take it. We take it completely.
Wait a second, 7x and 2. And yes, you're catching crazy time. Yo, the moment was waiting so long. Welcome to that crazy time. So, Sophia loves mambo. You loves mambo. Mambo. Crazy time show. So highest wheel in front of your eyes. 64 segments and free floppers. Green, blue, yellow. Choose one that looks at you. Final seconds. Yeah, don't forget there's a lot of doubles and triples. 200. Max multiplier. Enjoy. Winning result, 200s and green, 15x blue, 50x yellow. Crazy first place, 200s and more, right? Woo! 38,000 FBU in the first place, Nico, 10,000 more, Toro, 8 more. Come on, that was spectacular. 7,000s, Naha, 46 players went all in this round. Of course, best of luck to all of you in the next round. Yes, thank you for this moment.
Flapper's not our side yet. That's in times error. That's a strategy as well, Yogi. You're gonna follow the trends. Good luck. 3X and number 1. Nothing's wrong with me, sweetie. But hey, I hope you'll be able to guess the upcoming results, because that's the idea of playing this game, you know. Ladies and gentlemen, woohoo! It took a couple of ones there, but we managed to make it to the crazy time. Our first bonus round of the session, the debut, the premiere. Right, everyone, there goes your part. You have to pick one of the flappers, green, blue, or yellow. You get a 15-second time for that. And also there is the add-to-pick feature, guys. If you cannot be bothered or you're running out of time, the add-to-pick will grab you a random flapper. So don't you worry, you're still gonna get something. Hi, Momilo. Ladies and gents, there is 100X on the wheel right now is the highest. I wish you the best of luck. Yeah, with the green team as always. Well, looks like the blue team this time gets another ride. We got a double. The other two flappers get a 15X there. Oh, well, okay then. Whatever. 200X is the highest multiplier. Now let's go. Oh yeah, baby. It goes blue because I love you. 200X, the highest multiplier, the top cherry of this garden. He's got right for blue team. Woo! Woo! Ladies and gents,
TOPSLOT in these last 5 rounds to two ones, 2 5s, and 1 number 2 as well. It was Natalie Kada. Let's see, where's Latvia? In Europe. Latvia is in Europe. A very small country, actually. But we're going to the cash hunt here. Well, ladies and gentlemen, cash hunt on the wheel. So right at the cash hunt we meet, and I do believe we got a TOPSLOT multiply. Right. Let's see how this goes then. Let's get really comfortable. Well, how about that TOPSLOT multiplier? Where is it? Where is it? 7X! Going to get applied. So all the multipliers there, and as a result of that, it could be as that 700X. Let's go ahead and do it. But before we're talking multipliers, time for some shuffling. So let's sit back, relax, enjoy the process, and look forward to getting that 700X. After all, it's piloted various 700Xs there. So, you know, higher chances. Ladies and gentlemen, right here, right now, you're going to make this very important choice of where could that possibly that 700X be? Which icon, which symbol is hiding it? How do you feel like? The decision is right into your own hands, and now we're going for the reveal. 700X there, also here, also down there. So I hope you did spot one of them. Congratulations to all of the winners. 906 of you indeed managed to get that 700X. That is excellent news. Congratulations goes out to 8,829 winners, 744 TT, Tiana. You're the top winners. This was great. Now your betting time is all yours. Place your bets for the next round, join the conversation, hit autoplay, and our time to shine. So sweet of you to share the multipliers that you got. I feel like I've been saying this every time we return from the cash hunt, but you know, that is how I feel. I feel
Nick and Polo are the top winners. New betting time. No, never remove coin flip. What if we get 5K on a coin flip? 50X TOPSLOT multi. 100X is initial multi multiplied by 50. That's 5K, man. Good luck. I don't think you want a 25X coin flip. Come on. Imagine if we get that. Just imagine for a second if we get 25X coin flip. No way. Bro, what is going on? Come on. How is it useless? Take your words back, man. 25X it is. Come on, let's go. So that's 3X, 10X multiplied by 25. Look at that, 250 and 75X. Come on, one more red. Please. Please run. No way, 250x is the multiplier in the coin flip, bro. 7600 winners, legend.
3700 of you with a 50x, got a 5186 minutes being in the gospel. It's in on the gospel. Paso can I drop 3 now, so done. Let's go.
Woo! Spinning time.
Wow. What is up, homeboys and girls? Also, last round with me.
Yahoo!
Praise down with a 5x TOPSLOT. Oh, come to Papi, you. Stop for us. Somebody help me. I'm going crazy. I'm so sorry to the next host. I'm so sorry. Anyway, 5x TOPSLOT. Yikes, I need to take a chill pill. Yikes. Anyway, pick a time, green, blue, or yellow. This might be your choice of life. No, life choice. I hope we have a... What was base? Base was 100x or 200? That would be cool if our base would be 200x. That means 1,000 highest or 500. Let's see. What do we got? 500x highest. All right, let's roll. Let's go for some doubles or triples, baby. Yeah. It's a double on a green and a yellow 500x. Hey, yo, wait. Oh, snap. Hey, watch your language, monster. 1000x highest. Let's go. Have fun. I'm laughing like Voldemort, by the way. That's just, you know, if you didn't know. Anyway, we got another double. That's a 2000x highest, is it? 2000x highest. Let's go. Everybody thanks to Santa because she's the one that brought us this wonderful lucky. She walked in the room. She's at fault.
Absolutely. Oh, wow. Okay.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.